The first question says estimate 5,000 to the power of 1 over 4. So 5,000 to the power of 1 over 4 is going to be 8.4. It's going to be somewhere between 8.3 and 8.5. Then it says solve giving your answer to one decimal place. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the x to the left hand side. We're going to have x squared minus x minus 8 equals to 0. We have a quadratic equation. And since it says give your answer to one decimal place, that means we're going to use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. A is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 8. A is basically the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So we're going to do x equals to minus negative 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 divided by 2 times 1. That's 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 32 over 2. So when we solve that, square root of 33 is 5.74 over 2. So now one value of x is going to be 1 plus 5.74 over 2, which equals, so the first value is going to be 3.4, correct to one decimal place. Second value would be 1 minus 5.74 over 2, which is negative 2.4. And for the next question, we have to sketch the cumulative frequency graph. So for that, we have to find the cumulative frequency first. So we're going to start with the first frequency, that's 3. Then we add 3 to 10, which is 13. 13 plus 21 is 34. 34 plus 4 is 38. 38 plus 1 is 39. We're going to plot these on the graph. So at 5, we'll have 3. That's going to be 1, 2, 3. At 10, we have 13. At 15, we have 34. Then at 20, we have 38. And at 25, we have 39. So if we connect this, this is our cumulative frequency graph. Arrange the following numbers in order smallest to largest. So you're not allowed to use a calculator in this. So what we're going to do is we're going to convert these. We know square root of 25 is 5. So I'm going to replace 5 with square root of 25 times 3. That's going to be square root of 75. Then we know square root of 9 is 3. So I'm going to do square root of 9 times square root of 10, which is going to be square root of 90. And for the next number, we know square root of 4 is 2. So I'm going to do square root of 4 times root 22, which is basically going to be square root of 88. And lastly, square root of 16 is 4. So square root of 16 times square root of 5, and that's going to be square root of, that's going to be square root of 80. So now smallest is going to be 5 root 3. Then we have 4 root 5. Then we have 2 root 22. And lastly, we have 3 root 10. So smallest to largest.